Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Naveen. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Vanna box from Stylevana. I'm going to be showing everything you get inside and talk about the price points and total and all of that kind of stuff. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, before I get into the box, I have a few disclaimers as always. First one is I am severely sight impaired, so I only have a little bit of vision left in one of my eyes, my right eye. So if you see me holding products up or my phone up, like literally to my face, that's just how I quickly read things and stuff. You know, I have magnification on my phone and I still need to, hold it up close. Secondly, if you hear fans or you see my hair moving, I live in the UK and we're going through a heat wave. And I've got two fans going and there's no way I can film without them turned on. So it is what it is. I put the little wig thing, hat, fuzzy, whatever on the mic. So hopefully it won't pick it up and it won't be too bad. What's the third? Oh, third disclaimer. I am not a dermatologist. So anything I recommend or say I like and stuff, it's just personal experience and personal opinion. Your mileage may vary. Something that works for me might not work for you. So anyways, let's get into the box. The box, it's pretty kind of, heavy. It's large. It's cute. It's pretty. So let me open it up and show you what I've got. I've actually haven't opened this. So I waited until I started, did the recording to actually open it. I do have the list of the products. So I know what's kind of in there because I wanted to look up the prices and all of that so I could break it down. And I'll put the prices like on the screen somewhere and in the description box for each product and how much everything is if you were to buy each product separately and how much the box is. Oh, and you also get a discount with my Stylevana discount code, and I'll put that on the screen how much you will get if you use my code, and I'll also put it on the actual code on the screen as well. All the information will be down below. Okay, let's open this up. This is what it looks like inside. You got the cute, you got this cute little pink paper. And you start off with this bag. Little pink bag with a golden colored zipper. It's padded, soft. It's a cute addition. I think they intend this bag for you to actually keep your products inside. It's got a little pocket in there too. So this is really, really nice for like a travel bag or to keep in your purse, that sort of thing. I love keeping these bags to kind of just have be like catch-all just to stick into my purse. Like lipsticks, lip glosses, random stuff I need. All right, let's get to the products though. Okay, everything inside comes neatly and nicely bubble wrapped. So no worry of anything like spilling out or being damaged. There's a lot of stuff in there. Like I said, as you can see, I haven't opened it, so we're going to be opening this together. All right, I'm just going to pull it out and tell you as I pull the stuff out what it is. The first one is Medeca Cream Time Reverse Dermatological Heritage since 1958. Centella Asiatica special ingredients. I'm just reading the box. This is the product. I love anything with Centella Asiatica in it because I have type 1 rosacea, the flushing kind, so I really enjoy. I find it to be a very soothing ingredient, and everything I've generally tried with Centella in it has been great. Okay, so the next product is the Tocobo, let me see. Tocobo Bio Watery Sun Cream, SPF 50, PA+++. I can always do one more sunscreen, so that's a good addition. All right, next product is, let's see. Oh, it's Purito. Okay, I can't read the text on the box, so once again, going to my list. This one is the Purito Sol TXA 6-niacinamide 10 retinol serum. Well, that's a lot apparently. It has tranexamic acid, niacinamide, and retinol. So I generally like everything from Purito. I've been using Purito products for like years, and so I'm excited to try this one too. All right, next product is the Costa Baja. Oh gosh, the last time I've tried anything from Costa Baja was the azelaic acid serum, and I actually really enjoyed that. But I haven't had it. I've swapped out of it so long ago. I'm kind of tempted to order it again to give it a try. But this one is the hydroquinone brightening serum. Costa Baja, yeah, brightening serum, hydroquinone brightening serum. Sounds interesting. I will definitely be adding this in there. I can always do with a bit more brightening. Okay, so the next product, this one, I've purchased so many bottles of this stuff. It is so good for gentle skin. It's the Pyongyang Yul Essence Toner, the full size. This is a cult classic, at least in my opinion. It is great for sensitive skin. What I used to love using this for was putting it like on really thin toner pads and making my own little like sheet masks over my rose, like my red cheeks and stuff, and it would be so soothing and really gentle. If you have really sensitive skin, I definitely recommend giving this one a try. So it's really nice that it's included in the box. All right, next product. Oh, I've been excited to try this one too. The Round Lab 1025 Ductal Cleanser. I really want to try the essence, or was it the toner as well? But I'm really excited to try out this cleanser. I've heard really good things about this brand, and I've heard really good things about this specific product. So I will be updating you hopefully in another video in the future once I've gotten a chance to try these for a little while, because I can't give you a review. I can give you like first impressions and thoughts and like all of that kind of stuff, but I can't give a proper review until I've given it, some time to actually try the products and see how my skin reacts to the stuff. All right, next product is Medicube Kojic Acid Turmeric Vita Gel Serum. I've seen Medicube all over like TikTok, and this is going to be the first Medicube product I'm probably going to try, because I've never tried any Medicube products, but I've heard good things, and a lot of people on TikTok seem to be really positive about the brand, or the products. Next product is the shiny packaging. The Sika Hyalon PDRN Riedel Shot Scalp Shampoo. Oh, I'm excited to try this one. As if you follow me on Instagram or anything, I have a lot of hair loss. My head's shaved under this. I'm wearing a wig. So I am excited to give this a try and maybe see how my scalp enjoys it. But yeah, the hair situation, that's for another video. But if you're interested in seeing my wig, like my wig contact or hair topper stuff, there's other videos, there's like a playlist, or you can follow me on Instagram or check out my website. All right, last few products, which is basically 2 sheet masks. You get 2 of the Sungbun Editor Deep Collagen Power Boosting Mask. You get 2 of them. It looks like they're both, deep collagen. I am a big fan of sheet masks, so I'm gonna be glad to try these. I love using sheet masks to calm my face down. I love putting them in the fridge. And in this heat wave, I'm gonna definitely be sticking these in the fridge. I've never tried this brand, so I will be trying them out, and when it comes to sheet masks, I'll probably update like an Instagram stories, or like do a quick update on I've started TikTok now, even though I'm terrible at it, so you can follow me on there and see me wearing and talking awkwardly about sheet masks. But yep, so those are all the products that you get in your box, and let me talk about the prices. Okay, so I did make a list and I checked the individual prices on products. Let me just find it. Oh, by the way, release date of this box is today. Like, you could literally go to the website now and go purchase this box. So I'll leave the link down below so you could grab things. Okay, so if you were to purchase the individual products off Stylevana from the, from the date that I checked today, It is, it would be 107 pounds and 10 pence. Like, I live in the UK, so that's how I calculated it. And the pouch set price, like if you were to buy this box, it's currently at 81 pounds. So buying it, the box saves you 26 pounds and 10 pence compared to if you had purchased each product separately. And with my discount code, which put it on the screen and leave it down below, it will be 72 pounds and 90p. So definitely good value, especially if you are looking to try a lot of these products. This is a really good selection of products, especially from brands that I really enjoy, like Burrito, Round Lab, and a few other, like all of them really. And some of them I'm really excited to try because they're products I've never actually tried from these brands. So I would definitely recommend this box. And the little bag is super cute. And I bet you could fit all the products in there, you know, like if you wanted to, or you could use the bag for something else. It's really cute. Oh, look, and then it says like Stylevana on the little metal label on the front. So yeah, that was everything in the new Vanna box. So if you do get it, let me know down in the comments. I'm really curious. And if you've tried any of these products or you're curious about them or you have opinions, leave them down in the comments. I will always try to reply. And thank you so much for watching. Oh, I probably should have mentioned this at the beginning, but Stylevana obviously sent me this box. But all my opinions and all my thoughts and all of that are my own. So thank you so much, Stylevana, for sending me this box. And thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.